you getting frustrated because Steam won't connect online to let you play your favorite games? Then here are some steps you can take to solve it. Now first, a weak or inconsistent internet connection can keep apps like Steam from establishing connection with the server and trigger errors like this one. Hence, your first action is to rule out any internet-related issues. Now if that did not work, check your network adapter by opening Device Manager, go to Network Adapters, right-click on your network, select Properties, go to General tab, and check the device status. Now another basic fix is to restart your PC to give Windows a fresh start and take care of any minor glitches that might have been causing Steam to malfunction. You can also try running Steam as an admin by simply searching the application, then select Run as Administrator. And lastly, update Steam by opening Steam. Select Steam on the top left corner, then select Check for Steam Client Updates. And those are the following fixes if you're facing the Steam error on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.